Breaking news. BatchLeads just got better. Skip tracing credits are now included in our personal plans. Yes, you heard that right. But before we get into the details, I need to recap what's been going on behind the scenes at Batch. Now, we know that times have been tight lately, and we hear you. You need a solution that gives you the most bang for your buck. You wanted cheaper skip tracing, bigger export limits, and smoother workflows. Guess what? We did all that and more. Let's start with the biggest news. Free monthly skip tracing credits and unlimited 9-cent skip tracing. Personal basic plans now come with 250 skip trace credits per month. And Personal Plus plans come with 1,000 skip trace credits per month. That's up to $1,000 in savings over the course of a year on skip tracing alone. But what happens if you go over your monthly skip tracing allowance? Every contact record will now cost a mere 9 cents. And to answer your question, this is the same industry-leading skip tracing data you've come to know and love. Next, let's talk about export limits. You asked for higher limits and we doubled them. 10K leads on Personal Basic, try 20K exports. We upgraded Personal Plus to 30K leads and doubled the exports to 60K. Team Basic and Team Plus, we doubled those export limits too. Now, are you ready for the cherry on top? We made BatchLeads even easier to use. Check this out. Our new interface helps you find leads in 3 easy steps. Number 1, choose your market. Number 2, select your strategy, on or off market. Number 3, use quick filters like pre-foreclosures, undervalued listings, or tired landlords to find motivated sellers with upside potential in their properties. It's basically like list stacking while you're searching for leads, and you can do it all with far fewer clicks. And look, it's so much easier to view where opportunities are with map clustering and brand new on-market quick filters. You can even save properties to multiple lists and skip trace them as you add them to your database. But that's not all. Our My Lists feature is getting an overhaul and will be available soon. More ways to skip trace, more ways to sort and filter, more ways to find the leads you're looking for and take action on them. This is just the beginning. BatchLeads has so much in store for 2024. Thanks for trusting BatchLeads to help drive your real estate business.